So let us see here friends, integration n pi plus b. Okay, this is b. N pi plus b and mod sin x dx is equal to, you have to prove that 2n plus 1 minus cos b, where n is a positive integer and b is in between of 0 to pi. Let us see how to solve integration n pi plus b and you have mod sin x dx. You have to prove that. Okay. So this can be written as what here? This can be written as using the condition. This is a integration a to a n plus nt, like that way you can write here integration 0 to b. I can write 0 to b mod sin x dx plus another way I can write 0 to n pi mod sin x dx. I can write like this. So based on this can be divided into two parts, integration 0 to b mod sin x dx plus integration 0 to n pi mod sin x dx. According to this here, 0 to b, we don't know what is this b. So sin x can be, what is the mod of sin x is always mod of sin x. Let us take b is, b is given 0 to pi. The given b value is 0 to pi. Means sin is in the first and second quadrant. Sin in the first and second quadrant, it is positive. So I can write as integration 0 to b. Now we got the idea, this modulus will open positive or negative by this way. 0 to pi means positive. So I can write as sin x dx plus integration. You have this property number 3 I told you. N will property number 1, n into integration 0 to pi mod sin x dx I will get. Okay, you get like this. Okay, integration n pi. Okay, you have like this. 2n pi, actually question is 2n pi. Okay, 2n pi. This is 2 pi. N will come out because n is the 2 pi. Pi is the period. Pi mod sin x period is what? Okay, I'll write the same thing. Here is mod sin x is there. What is the period of mod sin x? Mod sin x period is pi. So I have to keep pi. Rest of the things I have to set down. This is what we have to do. Why you have integration n pi nt f of x dx is equal to, you get n times of integration t f x dx, means period will be on the top. So period of this one will be 2n pi is there. The period of this one will be pi. So 0 to pi 2n. I think the question is n pi only. Okay, the question is n pi. So therefore if it is n pi, this is this one, and here this one is this. Okay, the question is 0 to n pi plus b. So 0 to n pi, so n will come back and integration will become 0 to pi mod n sin x. So now what is the integration of sin x? That is cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Minus cos x b to 0 plus n into integration 0 to pi sin x dx is how much? Integration just now we have solved here. Integration 0 to pi mod sin x dx is mod sin x is dx is 2. We have solved this already. We have solved previously many times. I will show you here. Sin x graph is like this. Okay, like this till pi. So 0 to pi. This area is 1. This area is this is pi. So this is pi. Not this is pi. 0 to pi. This is pi by 2. This is pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is 1. Pi by 2 pi is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This total area is 2. If you don't know what you do here, you can integrate directly. This will be getting cos x. Okay, cos x, because this is positive. This will be open positive. If you do by like here by the way of boards, you can write this one as sin x is mod sin x will open with positive sin x, and if you substitute here, I get as minus of cos b. I can write as cos b minus cos 0 plus n times of this integration of sin x is what as minus cos x, and I substitute pi and 0. Instead of doing this whole story, already this is 1, this is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, directly you can write this is 2. This is you can write into 2. So the answer will be 2n here. And here will be cos 0 will be 1. So minus cos b minus 1. You have here minus 1, but minus into minus plus 1 plus 2n. Just see the answer what you have to find. 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 minus cos b. This is the way to prove this one. Hope you understand. If you not understand,